could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such.
Hey lovely ladies, and welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Audrey Loveberry. I do nail tutorial videos like this one here. I am not a professional, but I am a DIY girly who loves doing her nails and hair. So on this video, we are going to be trying out the eyeshadow method to do French tip. We have some Madame Glam top coat and base coat here. And then also we're going to put a little razzle dazzle with some chrome. If you are interested on how I got the thumbnail look, continue to watch. And if you enjoy these types of videos, I hope that you consider subscribing and be part of the lovely family. Now let's get into this set.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, yeah, oh, for me. I'm scared of changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah. Crisis in my life, where I'm good, yeah.
So I'm going to attempt to use, I didn't want to use the eyeshadow brush because I still kind of use this eyeshadow palette. So I decided to use a Q-tip. I will get some more eyeshadow brushes later down the line from probably Amazon, but this is why I'm using the Q-tip, and it looks like it's working. So for me, I felt like maybe I shouldn't have wiped off the base coat, and it would have taken better. On TikTok, people were wiping off the base coat and some weren't wiping off the base coat. So I just went what I usually do is wipe off the base coat. But what I found was the parts that were still kind of like shiny, where the base coat wasn't fully taken off, that's where the color stuck more. Because you can still see the color, but it was more vibrant in those spots. So the next time I try this, I'm going to try it without wiping off the base coat in the area that I'm going to put the eyeshadow to see how it does. If you have any suggestions, comment down below.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So I finally got the fine tools with the line. So I'm gonna use this chrome and this chrome gel polish, and I'm going to use that to add a little bit of razzle dazzle, little bit of pizzazz to the ombre nails. And I'm just being creative here and just adding some lines, just going in and just DIYing it like I always do. So let me know down in the comments if you would have kept the chrome or no chrome.
chase beach views every day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We know what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I'm talking about 'cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Alrighty, lovely ladies, this is going to be the final result. The eyeshadow ombre look with a little bit of chrome on these almond shaped nails. Comment down below what you think. And if you like this video and you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking the time out. I hope you like, comment, and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you subscribe. I'll see you in the next lovely video. Bye.